Hey folks, welcome to my channel. Today is February 24th. Today is my birthday eve. So I decided to make a quick little trip down to Debe to get some doubles to see the area. I wanted to come here for a little while now. So let's see what we get because I'm hungry. So stay tuned. So we have a Saheena here with what? Sweet sauce? Anchana. Go ahead, go ahead.
Saheena.
I made it was nothing. We're busy recording.
Because she said how it would have been too heavy. Some say. Yeah, they will put chana too if you want.
No, I answer is to the channel.
Oh.
Channel make it heavy.
So what's I eating there?
Saheena.
What?
Saheena.
Oh. Kaya say Baiganee, but you say Saheena.
That's calling for the sauces.
Kachourie.
I have sauce in it. This is kachourie.
Sweet sauce.
Oh, sweet sauce, right? This one is some sugar cake. This is what you call
Gulab jamun.
right? And this one is strawberry and
3-in-1 bar.
3-1. Okay. What kind of barfi is this one? Coconut. Alright.
Milk barfi here. Pineapple barfi down here.
Oh, pineapple.
Yeah.
What do you call these again?
ใช้ jalebi
Chili.
jalebi
You don't have smaller ones? Okay folks, we're done eating. It's quite a bit noisy right now. I hope you're hearing me. We had our lunch. That was my lunch. And to be honest, it's quite greasy, a lot of grease. Everything has been deep fried. The Baiganee, the Saheena. What else did I have? And I had a kachourie. Everything has been fried, deep fried. So it's quite oily, greasy. I have to take a good purge right now afterwards. Drink lots of water. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I put a new video. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.